welcome to the YouTube channel How To. This is the final session of Notion Flowchart, and in this I am going to teach you different formatting options of line or shapes. So let me start. Uh, okay, first of all I am going to delete this temporarily so that I can do changes and can see them here clearly. Okay, so first of all, you can see this line is continuous. So if I am going to change it into dotted line, so what I will do? I will just, okay, let me zoom in. I will just use dot inside. See, now this is dotted line. So you can use this dash and inside dot or full stop, whatever you call it. So the line will change to dotted line. Second is if you want to, for example, this is dotted line and I want this line to be bold. So you can use double lines or equal sign. Okay, I am going to use equal sign here. And how many times you type it here, the length of line will increase. So you can see this line is bold. Okay. Then third is if you want to use arrow at both sides. Now my arrow is at one side flow. If there is two side flow in shape, then what will I do? For example, in this shape, I will just add arrow to this side. You can see now here is a line with two arrows. Okay, and third one is if I am going to add nodes here or here I want to add nodes. So what will I do? Like I used here for arrow, I will remove this arrow and I will just type here small o. You can see my arrow will become node. And if I want to add some commands, so I use like this. I already use this function, so no need to explain this. There are just add these vertical lines and write your text inside and just write it after arrow or after node and it will show here. For example, no, it is showing here. So and this is for example, if you want to write text which should not show here, you are writing this just for your understanding, or if you are sending this code to someone, so you want make him understand that what which there are different blocks in this code and you want him to clearly understand. So we will write here, please check it. So just I will double I will write here percentage. So you can write anything between percentage, double percentage in start and write your text here inside. So you can write whatever you want for your help in this code and it will not affect your shape or it will not affect your code. So now I am going to change these shapes. There are different options. For example, there are two we already explored, diamond and this is circular. So for example, there is second shape, laptop is not charging. Okay, I am going to change these brackets and Instead I will use double bracket, the this type of bracket inside, and you can see now this shape is totally circular. Before it was circular on just corners, now it is like this. So you can change this shape style, and if you want to make it like this shape like database, for example this contains some data, so you will reverse this bracket outside. Now let me write it. Now you can see this is that database shape. Okay, now the third one I already used. For example, for decision making use this. I can again show you if you want to change this. Let me write middle bracket. uh, See, this is diamond shape, and if there is some sub process, so I can also change this. So just close this here and double bracket use here. You can see now this is sub process. So this is all. Let me know if you need any help in comments. Thank you for your time and happy learning.